iy'mpendulo ebengamtshela zona uThobile laphaya. Ngakhetha ukuthi yazini indawo yakhe le. Uyazi yena usuyenzani. Angilinde lami ithuba.
I call lies, lies and more lies. Because one thing about Umacele, she will always go in the diaries and be like, bayathanda ukungisukela in and angithanda ukukhuluma. But you talk the most. Like, you are just low-key vile. And if Tobile was lying on your name, you would have been very quick to clear that up. The fact that you didn't, I mean, you didn't right there and then when you were given a chance. It actually says a lot more than you think.
Bese bakhona enye into eyasho wena eyokuthi abanye benu babengafuni ukuthi ngithathe abanye abantu. I'm one person engakubuzayo mina ukuthi uthatha uMakhumalo uyamazi yini kahle?
Yeah.
Uyakhumbula wathini mina?
Umsele vele siyamazi ukuthi lo ababa une-amnesia. That is very convenient. When he's asked about certain details. So even the pregnancy, the said pregnancy, I wouldn't be surprised if that was his kid. Almost Earthly King might have just not known about it, but that could have been his kid. And he might not want to discuss it because the timeline becomes questionable then. Since uThobile wafika kaMseleko as a teen basically, because, I mean, was she 18, 19? When she first stayed in the homestead. Right. So 40 years in, let's wait for tonight's episode. Let's see how that unfolds. Let's see how that goes. Anyway.
And
Wena baba ngempela ikhona into ozokuyikhumbula nje.
Yasi mama, mangikhunjuzwa into endala. Ngifuna ukukhunjuzwa because angisazi ukuthi
Ngakubuza ukuthi lo mntwana is the same girl behlangana naye ekhulelwe nje. Angikubuzanga kanjani?
wayekhulelwa Makhumalo.
Awusakhumbuli?
Lutho.
Ngiwe hayi asiyeke le nto. Mawuzongenza isimo manje uqala phansi ubuze mina. The same girl owathi kimi iyasiza eMzumbe. Hayi ukuthi izoba unkosikazi. Okay, isiwuyena unkosikazi. Umato akusikona kwakhe lo, akahlangene na.
Mamithi okay wakhulelwa waba nengane ikuphi ingane?
Ngicabanga ukuthi umkhonyana wakhe khathi emthatha eyongena kaMseleko bayikhuluma lona. Uyazi ukuthi kuphi ingane.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate the support. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Where you're watching from? What do you think? Yeah. See you in the next one. Bye.